How to fix ChatGPT not working. 1. Check if ChatGPT servers are down. To do so, go to https://status.openai.com. 2. Clear cookies on your Google Chrome browser. 3. Check your internet connection. 4. Log out then relog in ChatGPT. 5. Restart your device. If the above steps don't work, try restarting your device to see if that resolves the issue. 6. Contact customer support. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Chat's customer support team for further assistance. It's worth noting that ChatGPT is a complex AI model, and occasional downtime or errors may occur due to maintenance or other issues. In such cases, the ChatGPT team will work to resolve the issue as quickly as possible.